friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Sunday, April the 13th, and we are over at Walgreens. We have a massive box of TAMPAX for $1.49, a $30 haul completely for free. There's a lot of magic in this week's ad, and I'm pretty hyper and excited to get $30 of freebies, and oh my gosh. So, yeah, it is a great week over at Walgreens. If you could do me a huge favor and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. Possibly this cat might smile or he might not. You will never know unless you like the video, and I will come back later this week and report, did your thumbs up make the cat smile? Yes or no? We'll have to figure that out. Gosh, I hope you guys are laughing. Okay, so the first piece of business we're going to talk about is a misprint in the pre-flyer flyer for the $3 or $4 difference. Hey, guess what? It is really, really expensive online and in store. So sorry guys, sometimes we preview things, and this one was a swing and a really big miss. Now this deal is absolutely spectacular. You're going to have to forgive me. My store unfortunately was not tagged because I went there really early. These are $8 each, and they're on this promotion of buy two, get back a $3 register reward. And guess what coupon we got? This one. At the very least, load it because it is quite fantastic. Okay, so we're in store, two of the Dove men's, and that's what I picked. It was 16. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay 8. Get back $3 register reward, and I got back 3,000 points from Fetch. So it made it 2 for 2 or $1 per body wash, which is a killer price point. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Pay down the balance to earn that register reward. Just to show you guys, here's my register reward from buying 2 of those Dove body washes, so I'm pretty excited by that. And then Fetch Rewards has a spend 15, I believe, and then you get back 3,000 points. I had 2 cents or tracking from my previous deals, so I actually got 6,000 points as I spent 16. So if you have not signed up for this app, sign up today. Check out the link in the notes. When you use my referral code and photograph any receipt, if you bought Taco Bell last week, you're given, I think, an extra 2,000 points, which is $2. So check out the link in the notes if you want to sign up for Fetch. But for these sort of promotions, like an extra $6 on this nonsense this morning, absolutely, yes, please, and thank you so much. Now, I stumbled into something that I think they must have tagged yesterday. It's the 50% off of the Tampax Radiant 28 count. Always bring these items up to the register. What are they ringing up for? Because if they're not keyed in properly, it might still be ringing up full price. We have this, which is an only for you coupon. So if you buy a lot of feminine care over at Walgreens, you probably have the same one as I. And yes, it's attaching to the clearance. So that 28 counter in regular for $6.49, subtracting that $5 only for you. I paid $1.49. Considering this product is $12.99 retail, I'm almost saving like 90%, so it's like probably like 87%. You're doing this on its own without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash, but this is a stock up price. Get it, guys. We also have this one, which is a $4 off of the pads. I couldn't really make the magic happen where it was dirt cheap, and I'm looking for dirt cheap. There's the $3.49 pads, and I don't think it was attaching to that one, but the teenage ones it was. I wasn't interested in paying $2.49 for some pads, because honestly, at Dollar General or Meijer, we always get them for like really cheap, so I just passed on this one. I'm going to wait. Now we have more clearance in the detergent and the aisles with all these different goods. If you look at that Palmolive very quickly, it's the lime one, and it is called Ultra, and it's really hard to see on the bottle, but it's actually on the bottle. And this is a 28-ounce bottle of this, and it's on clearance for $1.49. Just to enhance it, here it is. Now we have a $1 digital coupon. Scan it in store to make sure it's attaching to yours. You guessed it, 49 cents. So if you wanted to get some really cheap dish soap, I would try and line this one up. Very basic. One of those dish soaps for $1.49. Subtracting that $1 digital, 49 cents. And just a fantastic deal. A lot of Tide products, they're only taking a couple dollars off of them. So if this is your thing, by all means, stock up. And the Walgreens generic, also 50% off of some. So, I mean, you pick and choose wisely what you want to buy. I want to buy this stuff with a coupon deal. So I just left it at the store. I didn't go hog wild for this 25% or $7.79 from $11.99. I just comfortably left it at the store because that is okay. Other deal that we have is with the double pack of the Glade Angel Whispers, that one 12 o'clock for $3.49. So if you go over to your Checkout 51 savings app, we have this guy, which is a $2 back when you buy a 3-wick or a twin pack, and that is definitely a twin pack. I know they have the singles, but that's a single wick. It's not a 3-wick, so just be mindful of that. You can do this up to one time. So grabbing one of those double packs of the Angel Whispers, it's $3.49. Roll $3 in Walgreens cash, whatever you want to do. Photograph your receipt to Checkout 51 for $2 back. It makes it $1.49 for this double pack of candles, and it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now, this one's a total freebie this week. $4 reward when you purchase 2 dental care products. And we are going to be grabbing a Crest toothpaste and then this Oral-B floss that's found in the floss aisle. And it's also tagged. It's a fancier one. Here it is, guys. A toothpaste for $4 and the fancier floss for $4. That's $8 right there. You're going to load the following digitals. That's a $2 off for the floss and a $2 off for the paste. So looking at this, 2 dental care products for $8, subtracting 2 $2 coupons, $4 melting off right there. You're going to pay $4, get back a $4 register reward, making it completely free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Alternatively, if you have the 3 off 2 digital, same deal, subtracting that 3 off 2, you're going to pay $5, get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And 50 cents is so much cheaper than Dollar Tree, isn't it? Another deal is the $4.50 Colgate products, $4 reward when you purchase 2 with $2 digital coupons. So in the store, you're going to grab these 2. A brush for $4.50 and a paste for $4.50. So that's $9 right there. And then just to show you what do the digital coupons look like, here they are. And your last little friend that you're going to load, the $2 off of a product for the brush. Grabbing 2 of those, it's $9. Subtracting $4 in digitals, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per dental care product. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. You're trying to stock up on some really cheap laundry care products, the buy one get 2 for free on Arm & Hammer. It shakes it out to like $2.50 per laundry care product. If you're a newer couponer, not a bad price point. Now this is exciting for the paper deal of the week, the Scott's 12 count and then one of these 6 counters. Buy one get one 50% off. And this morning we got digital coupons on both. So make sure you load the $1 off for the paper towel and the $1 off for the toilet paper. And yes, this one is attaching to that orange bagged one, the 12 counter, even though it's a different pictured one. So really basic deal in store. 2 of these for $7.50, subtracting the $2 of digital coupons. You're going to pay $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per Scott, which is a stock up price. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Deal that everybody loves is on the L'Oreal Elvive shampoo, $4 reward when you buy 2, and they are 2 for $10 this week. So we're going to load this guy. Now I had a 4 off a 2 digital coupon and it vanished. So I don't know what happened, but it just took a holiday. So 2 of these for $10, subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $2 for 2 or $1 per Elvive. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Elvive's a weird one because sometimes IBOTTA rebates appear for this, so hang on to your receipt for a week in case there might be something for you later this week. And you have up to 7 days to apply for rebates once they reappear if they weren't there on Sunday. Hang on to your receipts. And here's my register reward in case you're like, I don't believe you. It actually printed and everything was perfect this morning. So isn't that wonderful? The next deal we're talking about is the Nexus dry shampoo. If you can track down 2 of them and they are $16 a pop. spend 25, earn back a $10 register reward. This magic appeared this morning, which is an 8 off of 2. And if you head over to your Fetch account, you're going to get back 3,500 points for each dry shampoo. That's $7. So I keep saying, sign up for Fetch. This is why. This is $7, guys. It's totally worth it. So grabbing 2 of those at $16 a pop, that's $32. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $24. Get back a $10 register reward and 7,000 points back from Fetch, making it $7 for the 2 or $3.50 for a dry shampoo that's $16. That's a fantastic deal. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, as you're spending $25 to earn that register reward, but it's not a Walgreens cash deal. It's a register reward deal. Thus, it should work. On the same promotion of spend $25 to get back a $10 register reward is this Shea Moisture shampoo deal. So if you wanted to do Shea and Nexus, 2 separate transactions to get your register rewards to print, we're going to grab a $14 hair care item and $11 hair care item, and we're going to load the best friend, which is a 5 off of 2. So this is a very easy one. 2 of those shampoo products is $25. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $20. Get back a $10 register reward, making it $10 for the 2 or $5 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And I'll let you guys know too, for whatever dumb reason, my Fetch had no rebates for Shea shampoo. Maybe yours is different than mine, but I would double, triple check your Fetch account in case there might be something there. This is also really fantastic. It's a buy one, get 2 for free on the Walgreens Complete Home bags. So the first one you'll pay $2.79 for. The second 2 are free, making it 93 cents per box of 20 sandwich bags or freezer bags. It's a stock up price if I've ever heard or seen of one, and these are of a really great quality. Final deal that we're going to look at is a $30 basket using this paper booster. Last week when I was in the store doing various deals with the Garnier shampoo, this actually printed for me in one of my transactions. I also was able to throw in $9 in manufacturer register rewards, the one pictured below, and all of them worked in concert. So I'm going to talk about this deal on its own, and then I'm going to show you the receipt on how all of these scanned, and I'm going to explain that at the very end. In my $30 basket, I had my clearance Tampax, $16 of the Dove, and then $10 of the L'Oreal Elvive. I had a $5 digital for Tampax, an $8 digital for Dove, and a $3 for the L'Oreal Elvive. And we're doing this deal in store because it's register rewards and that paper booster. So 2 of the Dove men's for $16, and then 2 L'Oreal Elvives for $10, a clearance Tampax for $6.49 for a grand total of $32.49. At this point, I had all my digitals coupon, and I got the cashier to scan my 8 back when you spend $30 booster. And then I had an $8 coming off for the Dove, a 3 off 2 for Elvive, and a $5 off for the Tampax. So with my debit card, I paid $16.49, got back $7 in register rewards, 3 for Dove, 4 for L'Oreal Elvive, $8 in Walgreens cash for my booster, photographed my receipt for Fetch for an extra 3,000 points back, making this free plus a $1.51 moneymaker. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using that booster of spend 30 to get back 8 if you might have the similar one as I. Just to show you the receipt, if you look at the top 3, manufacturer, manufacturer, manufacturer. So for this one, I paid $7.49, and then I got back 8, 7 back in register rewards, and then I got back 6,000 from Fetch, as I had some tracking before. So this was a huge money maker for me. And that Fetch rebate for the Dove men's shampoo is expiring quickly. Go and do that one today if you have a little bit tracking, or if you just want to get the 3,000 points. What a deal. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.